like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tenant. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash, and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side, but I'm from the east side. This how we slide, this how we ride, yeah, this how we ride. Gon' pro.
Alright guys, it's Bow Shooter here, back with another video. So I got the next 3 days off, so we're going to be working on this thing. Trying to get it working again, taking it all apart. Last things I got to do is disconnect the main wiring, which I just took the air box out so I could do that. And then I got to disconnect the carb and the clutch. And then I can start taking motor bolts out, I'm pretty sure. So, doing a full motor swap. Not gonna record too much of it and try to get it done, but you guys will see the important parts. Alright guys, we got everything on. Only thing we need to do now is get these motor bolts off. I started stripping one and they're pretty tight, so I'm gonna go grab an impact. I'm gonna grab an impact and then try to get these off. How many is there? 1, 2 from this, and then this can just stay on this whole plate. I'll just connect it back, the new one on here. Wait, no. I'm gonna have to get these off. Yeah, because I need to put on the new motor. Right, so I got to take these 2 off. Oh no, 1. Just 1. Yeah, 2. There's 1 down there. So 2 in the front. Okay. 1 up top. And then 1 at the bottom for the swing arm. I don't know if you can see that. Just right up there. Yeah, let's go run over there. Wait. Oh no, that's not her. That's the frame.
Yeah. Thanks for the new motor, bro.
Alright, I'll see you later. We got it out there.
Oh, it's a light now.
Matt had to hold the bike up. I had to loosen the back to get the chain off, because that's the last thing we forgot about. We got all the motor mounts off with this impact again. The Craftsman. So.
Oh no.
That was hard. Now it's gonna be even harder to put a new one on. We got it though.
What do I do with it now?
Bruno wants one. Now you gotta make sure he looks at where it goes. Got it out though. I'm gonna record any of this though.
No, bro,
that.
I feel
Where is
bad.
it? That bolt? Where's the bottom? Right there. And then we got the front on now.
Oh, these beads are everywhere.
Yeah. This is what happened when they sent me the new motor. These silica beads broke in the packaging. Now they're all over. I took a lot of them off, but you can see them. They're inside there and stuff. Oh, no, they're in little crevices.
There they are.
Me and Bobby, yeah, pulling motors.
Services.
Pulling the motors. I think that was the hardest part, right?
What?
That.
Putting it on was
Fresh.
hard. Hope this one lasts.
Yeah, guys. We got the motor in, got all the bolts in. Now we're gonna tighten them. We're gonna tighten them by with regular ratchets, and then we're gonna impact it. These things are strong. They're tight on there. I would not be able to get that off with regular ratchets. Got it on though. Now we just gotta hook up all the wiring stuff. Now you had to lift the jack up to a certain point to get the bottom bracket aligned, and then you had to lift the motor with your hand and move it up to get it to the top, and then we put the bolts in while we were holding it. I was holding the bike, he was holding the motor. We put the bolts in, and then we put on the jack. It was on the jack the whole time.
We're gonna
still.
take that shifter off. Put it on this one too.
Yeah.
That's the
Alright.
new
Bottom, like all the way at the bottom right here. Okay. Good? I can't tell. I can't tell. I can't tell if it even moves. Yeah, it's too big.
Yeah.
easy. The last one I had was super hard, and that's why I pinched my finger.
I think they were used. That's why they looked used.
Yeah.
Good. Oh wait, is it down?
Yeah, down.
I guess we're good now.
You want to go grab the clutch from the back? The whole handle? Actually, I'll grab it so I'll hold the bike.
Well, you took the handle off?
No, I have a new handle. A new whole assembly for the clutch.
BPA.
Where does it say that?
Top of the motor.
That says E. EPA?
Speak. 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 Speak.
He will.
Speak.
You care about the mirror?
Yeah, I've got a new mirror.
Does the other one have a connection for it?
What?
Does the other one right, that's why I'm running one mirror. My mirror fell off.
Yeah.
Oh, it does.
It's the same one. Yeah, look at it. Try moving the handle back and forth. See? See how loose it is?
Oh, no.
Got too much stuff in my hands.
Really hold.
Matt's on his phone.
That's what I'm saying. I'm feeling all this weight when I'm trying to. Now it's on my head. Now I'm feeling it.
Matt, what are you doing?
No, forget it. Don't even hold it.
Show some threats of that E, you know? That's how it is. You're gonna have to hold it from the back, man. Oh, did it?
Yeah.
It did? Why is it like so far up? This, the rubber, is it on at the bottom? Did it go through the hole? It did, right?
Yeah. No, it's not covering the bottom
Oh, shoot.
of it.
No, I got it.
Oh, I was about to say, no.
It fell in that crevice.
No.
This little bolt fell in that crevice, we would have been beat.
No, the whole starter motor got to come off.
That whole casing would have to come off on the side. I'd break that gasket. Yeah, right?
I don't know. I'll put it upside down this one. Yeah, it's probably the right way.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, it's the right way. This is how yours ran right here, right? Or under,
You know what? Yeah, someone's in there.
just like that.
You got the 10.
Oh, that's right. When did we put the choke on?
What?
The bracket?
What?
Right here.
Can't go on?
Uh,
Yeah, it can. It goes on this side.
it does?
Yeah.
And it connects
So
to
I gotta grab the bolt. Huh?
You need
Yeah, I need to go grab gas and oil. That gear shifter is real nice with this one. Won't leak. You put the solenoid on, you put that on. What are you forgetting? Oh. Yeah, but that's weird. We still got to sort of more parts of the motor. Ah.
Where's it go?
Inside the choke lever.
Was it easy to get on and take off like this?
Like this? It wasn't on here. Oh, shoot.
Oh, you
Don't lose
Oh, you took the carb off.
Yeah, I took the whole carb off with it on. Moved it. I got it. Oh,
Yeah, magnetic one.
sorry. But it's not on the bottom. What's this? This is the fuel line? Where does it come from? What do you think? So it's got to go like this onto there. But I'm not going to connect it because we got to get gas.
We gotta drain this tank too.
Will this work? Look, it's kind of like bent a little bit. That'd be fine. It's going to bend like this. Or like that.
Yeah, that'll be alright. No, we're back here.
Gas will go, right?
Yeah.
This will go back here. That got to go on.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure it out.
What else do we got to do? That gear shifter is real nice on this one. It won't leak. You put the solenoid on and put that on. What are you forgetting? Oh, yeah, but that's later. We still got to start with more parts of the motor. Ah. It's an air box. I'm just tightening up the bolts when we put it in. Tighten up these bolts. Right. How hot is it?
It's up
Damn.
probably like 80,
Oh,
90.
yeah, feels like it, dude. I need extensions. I don't feel like grabbing. But look, I gotta put my hand here to hold it. This wrench's not the best.
What's the airbox do?
It connects to the carb.
Oh, word.
So it's giving air into the motor, collecting air from the motor to breathe, you know? There's one on that side, it's all on. Deeper now. It doesn't move any more than that. So I gotta loosen. I gotta loosen this side.
It's hand tightening.
You still trying to get that on?
Yeah, I don't know how I said it.
It's just rubber.
Alright,
Alright, it's good. Good enough.
Isn't this supposed to come off or is this?
That stays on.
Oh, that's how your other one.
You're gonna have to grab it. I think it's a 12. No? You wanna try 10 on there? For the clutch, so we can tighten it up more. Or should we wait for that?
Into that.
Has to be up here.
The wire was
The main one. So, I can put it in other places. But some I won't do.
around this,
It's
right?
supposed to be behind it.
Like around it.
This?
Yeah.
It's supposed to be like right here, up here. Somewhere. This area. I mean, I could disconnect it and put it up. I could do it like this, right?
What's up?
You got it? Put it through this little thing here.
It's not the big one won't go through it.
It opens. Which one is it? This one? Put it in there.
Oh. I didn't know it opened.
It's like just like a thing and move that. See? Now, tuck it all the way in there and get it to connect. Yeah, right there. Yeah, like that. That's not how it was, but it's better than what we put it as. You know? It's not how it was. It was tucked inside here, but it just make it difficult if we gotta
Testing
work on it.
purposes only.
Yeah, it's testing on it.
Testing purposes only.
It's starting to look together. It's not empty no more.
You gonna put the plastics on it?
Not right now. That'll be tomorrow. I just want to make sure it works. But we have a problem. I gotta put the thing on the starter and the carb's in the way. Yeah, we had to take the carb off because we gotta put this little, whatever this is, this wire. It's like a, what's it called? A ground for the starter. We gotta put it over that. It's gotta go under. The bolt's gotta go over. After that, what do we have left? Besides like
I don't think nothing, bro.
the chain.
That's a lost thing.
Oh, gas and oil.
That's a. That's started.
Other stuff we gotta do a different
Should
day.
ride it like this though.
No, I'm gonna ride it like this. No foot pegs either. I'm not even putting the foot peg though.
No, you got. Oh no.
You got it? Where is it? Alright, put it out.
You gotta.
See, it's just gotta go in between that bolt.
No,
and
you
the
should
motor.
put your foot pegs on.
Nah. Should I? Oh, yeah, I have a kickstand, right?
7/16.
It is?
Yeah.
It's a 10. So that's the same thing? 7/16 and 10?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Like a 7/16.
Gas. It needs to be tightened.
Well, I just want to get on it.
Yeah, we can't ride it like that. Yeah.
No funnel gang. No funnel gang.
Yeah? He's gonna
How you want
tape
this
it.
one?
Just tape it over. We're gonna have to tape it. We lost one of the little screw things that the screw goes into, the little thread thing. Lost it and I didn't buy it yet. What are you doing? Just tape it right over. Why are you bending it? No. Tape it right here. It's easy, so it don't bend.
No, my hands are so greasy.
Order the piece. On eBay.
Oh, they sell them separately. The
That's what
little.
the dealers do.
Oh.
Let's time for a seat. And we're gonna ride.
Look over. $3,300.
Am I forgetting gas on? Turn the gas on? Should I turn choke? No, sir?
I think we're doing right. It's worn out. I wasn't good. Is not getting enough connection. Oh! Yeah, I think I need to tighten those exhaust bolts a little bit more.
Yeah, definitely.
Because it came out of the funnel.
Let me see it. Okay, tighten it. That choke needs to be adjusted.
That's all it did.
cloud. It was probably from this little rubber stuff. Start it again.
Much better.
A little bit. It looks weird with the seat. Look at the pot.
Yeah.
It's like a whole. Whoa, it ain't going out. It ain't going out. I think it's too high now. Turn down. Yeah! Month and this thing hasn't been running. Put a new motor in one day. 6 hours? That's not bad. This new motor starting at 3,350 miles. Huh?
Go whip it.
Just to let it heat cycle first.
But don't let him out, don't let him out. He's gonna run. So it's been a month not riding it. It's still heat cycling, but I'm gonna drive around real slow. See what it does. This is my first time motor swapping. Is the brake light on? Is the brake light on? Huh?
Hit it.
No. It's not working?
No.
It's not even on.
Nope.
Why?
You gotta unplug that harness.
What harness? Don't put it in there. Just put everything back in. What are the rear brakes? Yeah, rear brakes work. Oh.
The one ring. Ready to get on.
Well, that's why. Why? And the spring, I never put the spring back on. Yeah, she run. Recommend besides the back sprocket.
How's the punch though?
It lets out mad far, way farther than yours. Lets out almost right away, almost all the way out.
Yeah, I think it needs to be fixed.
This thing's making noises.
Alright.
It's making that noise. It's not bad though. Yeah, they need to change that. It works though. You wanna ride it? Alright guys, so last part of the bike that I need to do is the chain and the sprocket on the KP Mini. So these little tabs, I just bent them out, made them flat with this flathead. Now I'm gonna take the screws off, see what it looks like. Alright guys, I got the bolt out. The bolts for them. Took them out with this again. This thing's coming in handy. So the sprocket just comes off after the bolts are off. Now this, how does this, oh. Alright, oh. So these just go in between those little holes. And the cush drives, or the whatever, buffers, go in here. They don't look bad though. I really need to replace these. Huh. I guess so. Let's see if that does the trick. Maybe the bolts got loose or something. I don't know, because I couldn't get it off by hand. I'd use the impact. So why was there play? I don't know. Let's find out. Let's put it back together. There's 2 new ones, 2 old ones. Let's get them all in, start putting the cub back on. I'm trying to put the bolts back in with these tab things. Put some Loctite, make sure it's in there good.